All right, what we're going to do right now is start our discussion into what we call rational expressions. And what you're going to be doing is thinking of these really as just fractions, because by definition, we can remember that a rational number is a number that can be written as an integer over another integer. Or another way to look at that is a ratio of two integers. And so look at the word rational and you see the word ratio. So anyway, just think of a rational expression as a fraction. So let's take a look now at the types of fractions that we have. As you can see, we have the first type of fraction is called a proper fraction, and the second type is called an improper fraction. So if you look at a proper fraction, a over b, for a proper fraction, the numerator, which is the top number, has to be smaller than the denominator, which is the bottom number. So an improper fraction, the top number, the numerator, has to be greater than or equal to the denominator, the bottom number. So let's identify the fractions that we have down here. Let's look at example number 1, 5/3. The numerator is larger than the denominator, so this is an example of an improper fraction. Let's do it like this. In example 2, the 1/2, 1 is smaller than the denominator or than the bottom number. So that would be an example of a proper fraction. In the third one, 8/11, again, the numerator, the top number, is smaller than the denominator, so it's a proper fraction. 5/6, again, the top number is smaller than the bottom number, so this is also an example of a proper fraction. The one that tends to confuse students is the last one, 9/9. By definition, you'll notice that the improper fraction is defined to be greater than or equal to. So 9/9 is considered improper. So hopefully you understand the difference between proper and improper fractions.